Okay, so I'm here with my 2006 Chevy Equinox, and I'm having to replace the EGR valve and the EGR hose here, valve hose. As you can see, it broke. I taped it up. It started burning through the tape. It was a high temp tape, but it still burnt through it. So what I did is I've got my new parts over here. I'll show them to you in just a minute. But I popped this off. Just got a flathead screwdriver and just gently eased it out until I got that off. Let me show you the parts that I got. I got them from A1 Auto Parts. Okay, this is the new EGR valve. It's a little different. This is on the side instead of the top. But I think it'll fit fine. And I've also got the hose here. This goes with the valve. So about to try to put those on, so we'll see. Okay, so I've taken these screws out right here. Got one out. I'm about to take off the other. And then I've got to go down here and take both of these off. But there's no need to take this off because I'm going to be removing the whole thing. So, and I'm using a 10mm for that, for all of those. Okay, like I said, I used the 10mm. I had an extension just in case I needed it, but I haven't needed it so far. Done fine with just the short one here. Okay, this thing was so old, so corroded and messed up that it just completely broke apart. I mean, this thing had it. Like I said, this car is a 2006. This has never been replaced. Okay, word to the wise. These bolts were so rusty. First time I tried to get them off, I couldn't. So last night, I sprayed WD-40 on all of these bolts. And I let it sit overnight. So I let it sit overnight, and this is like 5:36 the next evening. And so they were loose enough. It still took quite a bit of elbow grease, but I got them off. So about to put the new one on now. So I'll show you the final product. Okay, so as you can see, the valve hose came with bolts. This did not. The EGR valve did not. So I'm gonna have to use the old ones just for the valve. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, so what I did is I just fit that in there so I can come in here and at least have a little bit of something to start with there. Okay, so I got the new one lined up. I'm just gonna come back in here, tighten everything up, and plug this in. Should be fine. Should pop in okay. Oh, got it upside down. May help if I got the clip in the right place. There we go. Just a little different than the other one, so. Okay, now we're gonna put the hose on, see how that goes. I got a lot of debris over here from where the other one virtually disintegrated, so I got some this air sprayer like you use for your computer. Spray all this, get all this debris out of the way. There's a lot of rust down here. Tried to clean it off as best I could, but not much I could do about it. It's just so old. Okay, so I figured out why I couldn't get that clean. It's the old metal tab that was in there. Seal, I guess is what it is. And so it's still pretty rusty down there. Try to clean it off a little bit more. And then you see this one came with a new seal, so we're good. So once you get those bolts in, this kind of spins around, and then you just line it up right there, and then put that last bolt in over there. Put that last bolt in over there. Do you line it up, put it in that hole, put that last bolt in. So I'll show you our finished product when I get done. Okay, so I got the new valve and the valve hose in. About to crank her up and see how it sounds. Got these parts at A1 Auto, like probably 50, 60 bucks or less. I can't remember the exact price, but it wasn't much. Okay, let's see how she sounds. Alright, there we go. Running a little smoother now. I mean, for 2006. No more bad exhaust smell coming in the car. Thanks for watching.